Yeah, good everybody. This is for Daniel's mini for the box break. If you enter into the break, winner gets 3 spots, second gets 1 spot. Okay, we've got Tolga on top and on the bottom. Copy that list. Snake Eyes is live. Alright guys. Whack that in with Tolga on top and on the bottom. Current local time is 6:09 and 20 seconds. Alright. We've got that as live. Gonna roll the dice 3 times. With Snake Eyes on the 3rd time. We will roll again and double it. That's 2 and 3. We're going 9 times. Good luck everyone. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So with 8 times gone, we've got Michael and Steve in 1 and 2 spot. 12 on the bottom. Dice shows a 5 and a 4 equals 9. Current local time 6:10 and 11 seconds. Good luck everyone. Your 2 winners are reversed. Steve and Michael. Congratulations guys. This has been randomised 9 times. Dice shows a 5 and a 4, which equals 9. Current local time 6:10, 28 seconds. Snake Eyes is complete. Congratulations guys. Good luck to you, Steve, Michael and Steve. Congratulations fellas.